Well, welcome back to another Dyno Days video. As you can see, an FN2 in the house. We've seen this one before, but it's had some modifications since. So RRC, CPL Big bore, etc. So we're going to see if we can get some more power out of it today. It's a very hot day today. In fact, so hot, I'm incredibly sunburned and I'm hanging out in the shade because I feel like a vampire. Let's crack on. Richard's busily checking out all his videos that I've sent him from his day at the Javelin Sprint Series on Sunday, which was amazing. I'm very sunburnt. Look at that. He had a load of fun. Do you know what? I had the best day out at a car themed event I've had in years. So Javelin, brilliant event, really well laid on. I liked everything about it. Some of the cars there were awesome, like proper cars. I think Fensport was there in what can only be described as an incredible machine. Richard's machine was also incredible, wasn't it? The EG performed well.
I think they were sort of more like time. They're in sprint series, but they're more like time attack cars, aren't they? Sort of thing.
Well, we're going to complete that video, so you'll see Richard's theories at the end of that video. But for today, this is an FN2 Honda Civic TypeR. It's been here before without engine breathing mods. So yes. Last time we seen it, it didn't have an RRC and it didn't have a CPL, but it did have a 4:1 and a Tegiwa 70mm.
It did, yeah.
So it's made the power that we expected today. It's up to 232 brake horsepower, which I think is a nice little increase.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a hot day today as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
but,
I mean, max you'd sort of expect from these mods would be sort of 235. So considering it's a hot day, I think that's all right. I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, I'm impressed with it. He's a jolly good chap as well. So he turned up on time. Mm-hmm. He was, in fact, it was a little bit early. We had a really good chat, so I enjoyed today working on this car. But we've got more to do, so shall we look at this graph?
Look at that graph.
Let's do it. Okay, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. It is an incredibly hot day today, but we've got 231, I'll call it that, 232 brake horsepower, 195 at the wheels. Good to see a car come back after suggested modifications and make a bit more power. Love it. So yeah, some good mods. Nice guy. If you've got an FN2 etc and you need some help or you want to choose the right modifications, please do get in touch. You can obviously email us, Instagram us, Facebook, TikTokers, or go old school, which is what we prefer, and pick up the phone and speak to us, or come down here last Saturday of every month for a Honda meet. We love it. So if you need any help or advice, if you need parts or if you need oil, we've got a sponsor. The sponsor is worldoflubricant.co.uk. please go onto their website, buy some oil, use code Dyno at the checkout and save yourself a load of money. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon. Won't we, Richard? We will indeed.